Hello, this is video 3 for Math0302 beginning algebra chapter 5 section 2. In this video we're going to simplify each polynomial by combining like terms. So if we look at A here, we want to determine negative 4y plus 2y if it can be simplified. To do that we want to identify any like terms. Well, we have negative 4y and we have positive 2y. The question is are they like terms? The answer is yes, because they each have the same variable, that's y, each raised to the exact same exponent, which is 1. So these two are in fact like terms. Well, the question is, how do we combine like terms? Well, you just add and subtract the the coefficients. And the coefficient for the first term is negative 4. The coefficient for the second term is 2. Then negative 4 plus 2 means negative 2. And then you just keep the label that you have here, which in this case is y. So there you go. That's how you simplify the first polynomial. B. Z plus 5z cubed. Question is are these like terms? Well, this is z and this is z cubed. Notice that they do have the same variable, but they're to different exponents. Because they're to different exponents and there are no other terms, this is the simplified form because these are not like terms. Let's look at C. 15x cubed minus x cubed. The question is are they like terms? Well, we have x cubed and we have x cubed. Same variable, each raised to the same exponent. That means that they are in fact like terms, so we need to combine them. Well, the coefficient of the first one is 15 and the coefficient of the second one is an understood negative 1. So whenever we combine these, 15 minus 1 is 14. And you keep the label the same, which in this case is x cubed. So this simplifies to 14x cubed. D. 7a squared minus 5 minus 3a squared. Well, this time notice that we have three terms. So this is actually a trinomial here. And we want to figure out if there are any like terms. I'm going to start with the first term, 7a squared, and ask myself, is 5 a like term with 7a squared? The answer is no, so I can't combine those two. Is negative 3a squared a like term with 7a squared? And the answer is yes, because they both have the variable a raised to the second power. So you just combine them. 7 minus 3 is 4, positive 4. And then you just keep the label the same, which in this case is a squared. Now minus 5 is the last term because you haven't used it, so we're just going to make that 4a squared minus 5. Let's look at E. Okay, there are 4 terms here, so we're going to combine them if we can. Look at the first term, 9xy. The second term, although it's degree 2 just like the first one, it has different variables. Okay, so therefore we cannot combine 9xy and negative 3x squared. However, negative 4xy is in fact a like term with 9xy. They both have the same variable, each raised to the first power. So 9 minus 4 is 5. And then keep the labels the same, which are in this case xy. Then I look at the next term, negative 3x squared. The only other one I haven't used is the 5y squared, and those two are not like terms, so I'm just going to rewrite the negative 3x squared. And then the plus 5y squared I haven't used either. Here's your simplified form. 5xy minus 3x squared plus 5y squared. Now, look at A real quick. What degree is this? This is degree 1. How about B? What degree is this? degree 3, because that's the highest degree term. Look at C. What degree is this? It's degree 3. Look at D. What degree is this? It's degree 2. Notice that this would be a degree 0 term here. And look at E here. What degree is this? Notice that this is degree 2 because every single term in here is in fact degree 2. Because this is an understood 1 and that's an understood 1. Alrighty, I will see you in the next video.